Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be walking through how to apply for a DUNS number for the CDBG-CV Round 2 funding application. The state of Vermont is requiring all sole proprietorships who are applying for funding through this program to have a DUNS number associated with their business. The information you'll need for the application is your legal name, the headquarters name and address of your business or your organization. If you have one, a doing business as or common name, the physical and mailing address of your business, the business's telephone number, the name and title of the principal, who will be you, as this is a program for sole proprietors, the number of employees at your physical location, which will not be applicable in this instance, and legal documents proving the above. The documents that you'll need for that proof are any documents confirming that you're the sole proprietor and that associates your name with the name of the business and your address. So 2 of any of the following: bank statements, leases, utility bills, that sort of thing. And then to access the application, simply go to the link below, www.dnb.com/dunsnumber/getaduns.html. So once you get to the URL, you'll see a page that looks like this. Get a Dun & Bradstreet DUNS number. And you'll simply select the primary reason, and that is you have a US-based business. You'll provide the business's name, and I will use some placeholder information to walk you through it. Let's say it's Hawkeye Surf LLC. The business phone number in this instance is optional. Click search. Essentially what this is going to do is cross-check to see if there are any businesses with your business name that already have a DUNS number associated with them. And in this instance, there are no Hawkeye Surfs incorporated in Vermont that have a DUNS number. So we're going to click Get a New DUNS Number. So after you click that, you'll be taken to this page, and we're going to go over here to the left and click Get Started on the DUNS number free application. So once you click that, it will take you to this page here where you will enter in your name and email address. And when you click register, what this will do is it'll send an email to whatever email address you provide with a temporary password. So then once you get the email, copy the password from the email and paste it here. And it might take a few moments, but simply keep an eye on your inbox until that email comes in. I just received it and copied my password, so I will paste it here. And then it requires you to create your own password, so copy that password that they sent you in the current password field there and create your own password. Make it whatever you would like, and just as long as it's super secure. And there are some requirements. You do need, I think, a number, and they'll let you know if your password is ineligible. Yep. There we go. And so here is the main body of the application. This is where you'll put in your business name, the full legal name, and proprietorships, which will be you, must use the owner's full legal name, the year you started, the number of employees, which would be 0, your annual sales, a description for Hawkeye LLC, that is multimedia productions, website if it's applicable. This is where you will need your business phone number and your business email. Your business structure will be a sole proprietorship. And then this is where you'll need your principal name and title. And since it's sole proprietorship, you will be the owner. And this is where you will need your business location. And then here is where you will upload the files that we talked about at the beginning of this tutorial that prove your business's name and address as it is associated to you, the sole proprietor. And once you are ready to submit, simply click submit. I wouldn't click either of these boxes. They're simply asking for permission to send you promotional material. And then once you click submit, so after you submit your application, Dun & Bradstreet will email you confirming your submission, and then in 2 to 3 business days, they will send you another email with a PDF containing your ready-to-use DUNS number. At that point, you can take your DUNS number and use it to fill out the CDBG-CV application. And if you have any other questions or any comments, please reach out to us at the address that we have linked on the page here. Thank you.